Hello everyone, this is Andy. Welcome to my presentation on misconceptions in administrative law and government for PAD 453. In this presentation I'll explore 6 key topics where many Americans hold misconceptions in regards to the Constitution, federalism, prosecutorial discretion, mediation and arbitration, civil rights, and the 15th Amendment. Here's the agenda for today. I'll walk through each topic, explain the common misconception, and then provide the reality based on the textbooks and videos from week 2. My goal is to clarify these ideas and show how they actually work in practice. Constitution. One misconception is that the president can make laws directly, while in reality the Constitution establishes separation of powers, where Congress makes the laws, the president enforces them, and the courts interpret them. Executive orders are often confused as new laws, but they are really instructions for agencies to carry out existing laws. Federalism. Another misconception is that federal government controls everything. In reality, federalism means power is shared. The 10th Amendment makes clear that states retain significant authority over areas like education, public health, and zoning. This balance is what creates both cooperation and tension between state and federal governments. Prosecutorial discretion, that's a tongue twister. A common misunderstanding is that every violation must be prosecuted. The truth is that prosecutors and agencies use discretion. They decide which cases to pursue based on fairness, resources, and justice. This doesn't mean ignoring laws. It means focusing enforcement where it's most effective and just. Mediation and arbitration. Many people think mediation and arbitration are the same, but they are different. Mediation is a collaborative process where a neutral party helps the sides reach an agreement. Arbitration, on the other hand, results in a binding decision made by the arbitrator, much like a private judge. One is about finding common ground, and the other is about a final resolution. Civil rights. Another misconception is that civil rights and civil liberties are identical. Civil rights are about equal treatment under the law, while civil liberties are freedoms from government intrusion, such as freedom of speech or religion. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes. 15th Amendment. Finally, many assume the 15th Amendment gave everyone the right to vote immediately. The reality is that it prohibited race-based denials of voting, but states still impose barriers like literacy tests, poll taxes for decades. True voting equality took much longer, requiring additional reforms like the Voting Rights Act. So, in conclusion, understanding government means looking beyond surface assumptions. The Constitution, federalism, prosecutorial discretion, mediation and arbitration, civil rights, and the 15th Amendment all show that the law is more complex than many people realize. By looking deeper, we can see how these principles work together to shape government and protect rights. Thank you for your time and viewing my presentation. Again, my name is Andy. Here's my contact information and my resources that I use for this assignment. Thank you.